Hi! In this film, we will introduce you to the estimation module of aSET Acrefine Seismic Engineering Tool. By using aSET, you can estimate the seismic restraint and vibration isolation budget of your project in a few minutes. Let's begin. Log in to aSET and click Estimation on the left of the dashboard. Now, click New to start your first project. Enter the project name and your notes, if any. Click Save and go to the next page. Here you need to select the category of your first item. Let's add an equipment. aSET will ask you the type of the equipment. Select Generator as the first item and click Next. You need to tell aSET what kind of data you have to continue. If you know the quantities of seismic restraint and vibration isolation products, this will take you directly to the product selection. But most of the time, you only have the BOQ of the project. Let's continue with this option. On this page, aSET asks whether vibration isolation is required or not. Since generators always require vibration isolation, select Required and click Next. Here, you see the weight and dimensions of a sample generator. If you have the equipment data, enter here. As a minimum, you should enter the weight and quantity. Excellent! aSET has selected the required isolators and anchor bolts for your first item. Click Save to continue. Now click Add for another example. This time, we will estimate the seismic bracings for heating and cooling piping. Select Services and click Next. Select Heating and Cooling Services and continue with From BOQ option again. Now you have to select the seismic bracing type. Select Tension Only System and select ANSI ASHRAE as the product certification. Here you need to enter the rod length of the hangers. Let's assume the rod length is 1.5 meters and continue. On this page, you will enter the piping information from your BOQ. Click Next to see the list of seismic bracings and anchor bolts. Click Save to add these to your project. By following the same steps, you can add more equipment and services to your project. Once you are done, click Export to download the results in an Excel file. Congratulations! The estimation is ready. You may contact us for more information about aSET. To see our other videos, don't forget to follow us.